this is KCAL 9 News at 10, also streaming on CBSN Los Angeles. Now, they are calling it the fourth wave now.
The Delta variant is now hitting the unvaccinated and growing in alarming numbers. Tonight, LA County is reporting its highest number of new daily COVID-19 cases since February. 2,551 people diagnosed with coronavirus. That is 20 times as many cases as 1 month ago. LA County also reporting 7 new deaths, 585 people hospitalized. KCAL 9's Lori Perez begins our coverage tonight.
Looking behind me, you might think that the vaccine clinic here at Kedron Community Health in South LA is closed. It is not. There are thousands of vials ready to be administered, but the crowds are not showing up.
We sit here and wait all night, hope people show up and get vaccinated.
Dr. Jerry Abraham is desperate for answers.
These are our Johnson & Johnsons. Just chilling, literally chilling. Nobody wants them.
A few months ago, the lines for vaccines were around the block here at Kedron Community Health. But tonight, even as the number of hospitalized patients in the state and in LA County has doubled in the last month, the clinic is open and empty.
And it is really heartbreaking to know there are people still not wanting these vaccines, people not ready to get vaccinated, people outright refusing getting vaccinated.
Doctors say not enough people are getting vaccinated, and so more people are getting sick. LA County today had the most daily new COVID cases it's had in 6 months. Dr. Brad Spellberg is chief medical officer at County USC, which has one of the largest COVID wards in Southern California.
It's beyond frustrating. It's indescribably baffling why people would choose to want to have this virus continue to spread. If we all got vaccinated, the virus would go away.
The LA County infection rates are so high now that if the state were still using the colored tier system, LA County would be purple again. Restaurants, gyms, places of worship, and movie theaters would be back to outdoor-only service. Despite the surge, Governor Gavin Newsom says he does not support a vaccine passport or statewide mask mandate. At least not yet.
You want to move beyond this. You want to deal with not having to deal with masking. You want to not have to deal with any trepidation anymore around having to read about this variant or that variant. Get vaccinated. We can end this thing quickly.
At County USC, a growing sense of frustration for doctors and nurses at the new wave of suffering.
Yes, you're right. You know, I can't make you get vaccinated, but I can tell you that you should be ashamed for not being vaccinated because everyone else is bearing the cost of that decision.
The team here at Kedron has vaccinated more than 300,000 people these days. On their best days, they're getting a few hundred people in. In South LA, I'm Lori Perez, KCAL 9 News.
As those cases begin to spike, a growing